Welcome to Controls Explorer. This video will show you how do you run a Allen Bradley HMI Panelview Plus directly from your computer without having a HMI or without downloading the HMI code to a physical HMI. Now, one of the precondition, you must be connected online to the PLC. So let's get started here. So first, open up any screen whichever you would like to test it online. Next, right over here, that is the run command. And as you can see, we are pretty much running online. This is the PLC code corresponding to the HMI. We are doing lot many changes with the PLC code, and let's have a look how it impacts to the HMI screen which is currently running in the computer. Apologize for too much of mouse click. Anyway, now the next objective, we are going to start the motor right from here with this HMI screen. So let's hit the motor start push button and see in the PLC code what impact it's bringing. So this is the PLC code, and as you can see, the motor run or HMI run coils are on. Next, let's stop the motor from the HMI. So the motor is stopped, and look at the bits. The bits are 0 now. Well, we will see some analog values now, some analog tag, and one right over here is the timer elapsed time in second. The range is 0 to 10. Let us do some changes in the PLC code. Download changes to the PLC. All right. So the timer is running. Now this is the gauge display. Once again, run it from here and the gauge is running now. As you can see, 0 to 10. That is what exactly the PLC, the tag over here, 0 to 10. All right. This is the bar graph. Exactly the same thing. The range is 0 to 10. And now we will be checking some trend. So this is the trend. Select the trend, right click, properties, select the pane, that's a different colors, and run it again. Run the trend now. So the trend has started 0 to 10. That we are using the same tag, and we had selected yellow as a pane color. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question, please do write to us. Tech support at controls-explorer.com, and we would be more than happy to work with you. So, thanks once again, and bye now.